Hi, I'm Helen with AzRA, and I may be one of your hiking guides.
I'm Jasper. I work here in the warehouse.
Jasper and I are going to be here to show you how to properly fit a backpack for a spring or fall trip. And we're talking if you're launching between April and May 15th and September 15th and October. You'll need a little bigger backpack than you would on a summer launch. So right now we have a 65-liter pack here. This weighs full with 3 liters of water and the packing list. It is 25 pounds. Right now it's not fitting Jasper properly, but we're going to show you how to do that. So first thing, oh my gosh, Jasper has something dangly. That is not going to be fun while you're hiking in or out of the canyon. Some of you are going to want to put your hiking or your river shoes on the back. You really don't want any swinging, and if you get a big enough pack that will accommodate that, you can just put everything inside. So you can see I'm going to have her water bottle here because I don't want her to be off kilter as she's walking down the canyon. So let's go ahead and adjust your pack, Jasper. Let's start with the hip belt. So you can see she's putting the hip belt on first. The goal is for the weight of the pack to be on your hips, not on your shoulders. There you go. Some of you might like it fit on top of your hip bones. Most people like it across. Okay, let's go ahead and do your chest strap. Thank you. So go ahead and tighten that. And then as you can see, we don't want you to start your hike with your pack away from your back. We want to bring it up against her back. So let's go ahead and pull those lifters. And watch how her pack is starting to go next to her body. And then once you feel comfortable with that, Jasper, let's do those I call them side lifters, and do a little tricep curl and pull that snug. And then we can see how snug this is on her body. And as she's walking, it's not going to swing, and it's also not going to pull her away. And let's go ahead and turn around, Jasper, and show everybody. This is a 65-liter pack. You could get away with a 50 or 55, but if you'll notice, this 65-liter pack is not stuffed. We've left room. We don't need to fill the space we have. And this is our idea of what you guys need to have a successful hike. Don't consider, or please don't consider, bringing your 30-year-old pack that's been in your shed and you haven't used in so long. The straps will be hard to adjust. It's also very heavy. If you've got a borrowed pack, you need to make sure that you can put it next to your body like this. And you don't want to do like this lady here. She was hiked in on a fall trip. She had a very small day pack, and that was hurting her by the time she got down to 1.5 mile house as she was hiking in. You can note on that photo, she already has her puffy jacket underneath her shoulder straps. It was hurting her. So the idea is to get a pack that'll fit your body, accommodate the weight and the trip that you have, and that way you can start or end your river trip not in any pain and having a good time. Thank you guys.